All right, I thought I'd come on live here, guys. And I'm looking at Bitcoin on this full moon that's coming up in very soon, less than 24 hours, I believe. And things are looking bullish. We have Bitcoin hanging out at 37,392 right now. Man, it has not gone, this week it has not gone below, wow, it actually did get down to 35,760, but it did not go below that. We're just getting higher highs every single week here. Super bullish. I also want to take a look at XRP is holding strong, pretty strong right now. And I'll also look at the astrology for what's in store for these coins here. ICP, I also wanted to take a look at because I was noticing some interesting things in the astrology. ICP is still holding up at 4.59. And thanks for the thumbs up, tuning in here live. And let me know who has any questions on this live stream. All right, so ICP is hitting up on the 702 Fibonacci. Could we head up to the 0.618 Fibonacci at $5.50? That'll be interesting. Oh, let's take a look at my fancy little software here with music. So right now, this full moon, we have the Earth right here. And as you can see, the moon is opposite the sun. So that's what's going on when we get this full moon. Where the moon's back here, there's the Earth and the sun. And it's a full moon in Gemini. I believe we also have Venus that's getting close to conjuncting the South Node. So we could have difficulties with relationship, marriages, maybe some difficulties financially as well. That all depends on our individual, unique scenario. All right, let me close that up. And then we're gonna go look at the astrology on this thing here. So I wanted to take a look at the ICP astrology. This is not financial advice, by the way, have to say that. But I am invested in ICP, not a ton, but, well, actually a pretty decent size of my portfolio in terms of just my allocation towards altcoins. We do have a bullish aspect here, Uranus sextile the ICP moon on the day of the full moon. So this, and yeah, this is potentially looking bullish for ICP in the coming days. However, everything is kind of based off of Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin going to do? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin astrology. If you're new here, my Bitcoin astrology has been 90% accurate this year. And you could take a look at my previous videos to see the proof of that. The proof is in the pudding, they say. Bitcoin astrology is looking quite bullish for this full moon. We have the sun trine the Bitcoin moon, that's bullish. We have Venus trine the Bitcoin Neptune. And then we have a whole bunch more bullish aspects after the full moon. So we could be seeing pumps after the full moon on the 27th, heading into December. And then we have a really bullish aspect for Bitcoin. Saturn sextile of Bitcoin. Pluto can be the signature for wealth in people's birth charts. And this is happening on December 5th. So that's looking bullish. Let me check real quick to see if I have any comments. Okay, hello Jack, hope you and family are great. Thank you, Nature's well. Family is going very well. And really enjoying my time here with family in California. It's been about 9 months since I've been back home, and it's just feeling really, really good to be back home. It's a little chilly here, so feeling the Christmas holiday spirits. Had a ton of turkey on Thanksgiving. Still digesting. No, just kidding. Okay, what else did I want to take a look at here? We looked at the Bitcoin. Oh, XRP might as well. XRP astrology. So we're moving out of this kind of negative aspects, Saturn conjunct the XRP Neptune. That was on November 23rd. We're already past that, so that's very potentially bullish that we're getting past this negative aspect. Sometimes when we get out of these negative aspects, the prices start pumping. Now, it's not going to be till December 13th that we're completely out of the woods with this negative aspect. However, we also have the Saturn sextile, the XRP midheaven on December 9th, and that is bullish. Let's see what else we have. I don't know if we have too much more. Let's see. Yeah, around December 5th is looking pretty bullish for XRP. Let's see. Other than that, XRP mainly follows the Bitcoin price chart. So if Bitcoin is heading up in December, then that is bullish for XRP. And let's look at the XRP Bitcoin price pair. So I was buying some down here. As you can see at this level, 0.000157, we're seeing a lot of, that's acting as a floor lately right now. We have not gone below that since October. So I bought some more down here. But let's zoom out a little bit. I mean, overall, this is definitely a level of resistance for XRP. We've seen this as a floor before and a level of resistance on the way up. So is where we're at right now, acting as a floor for the XRP Bitcoin pair. And could we be heading up more? But this is, you know, related to Bitcoin. So is XRP going to outperform Bitcoin in the next month or two? This is not financial advice, but I'm thinking it possibly could, because I'm thinking we could see another altcoin run heading into January potentially. This is actually total 2 over XRP. This is an interesting chart. And so basically, let me think for a second. When this chart is looking bearish, then that's bullish for XRP. But this is very interesting. Total 2 is having a lot of resistance on the 200-day moving average here. And so if we head lower, then that's bullish for XRP. So we could be potentially, this is very significant actually. We're getting major resistance at this 200-day moving average. If we get rejected off of this, that's very bullish for XRP. We could see an XRP run. And things are looking very bullish for December, January. This is very, yeah, this is very significant. Let's look at, this might be a little too much information, but this is the Bitcoin, this is the dominance with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC stable coins. So these are basically the safety trade, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, and all stable coins. And if we follow what the Bitcoin dominance did back in, I believe, 2019, we could potentially be following this approximate line here, where we're seeing some, we're going to see this kind of stall out maybe into mid-December before we go potentially on another altcoin run. When this chart goes down, if we head down to 75% around there into January, we could see that altcoin run. That's what I'm thinking, but this is not financial advice. From perhaps mid-December through into January, maybe through January. And so total 3 is basically the altcoins. This is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Things are staying bullish. We are staying above. So far, we're staying above where things were back in April. And we could head up to the 702 Fibonacci resistance level. That would be very bullish for altcoins. And same as the total too, excluding Bitcoin. We're seeing some resistance at the 702 Fibonacci. And then all of the cryptos together, we're hitting up on this 50% level Fibonacci. We could see a lot of resistance at 144 trillion for the total market cap of crypto. But if we get past this 1.44 trillion level, that could be very bullish. And so I think we're really gonna see this tested in December, January. And not financial advice, there is a possibility we could get past this, but if we get rejected, you know, then crypto could go up here and then fall back down. But we will see. The good news is the astrology is looking very, very bullish for December, January, even into February. All right, so I'll be coming out with a lot more videos on that. Ah, yes. I'm looking at the comments here. Is there any chance for XRP to visit the 0.5 region anymore? Yeah, there's a chance, but I think that chance is getting less and less likely, unfortunately, but that would be a great buying opportunity. If we do, you know, not financial advice, but if we do go down in the 50s for XRP, I'm definitely buying that for sure. Probably trading some of my Bitcoin for it. Greetings from the Netherlands. What's up, brother? Lex, check your email. I emailed you, brother. So, yeah, check your email and respond, brother. Looking forward to hearing from you. All right, so what else? Oops, I clicked the wrong button there. Let me close this. I'm live here, guys. The Bitcoin fear and greed is 73. That's pretty high. So I have been selling some. I have been selling some crypto because this is pretty high levels of greed, especially if we head up to 78 or 80. I'm probably going to sell more. Yeah, definitely. So that is about it for today. Just wanted to pop on, guys. Let me see if there's any more comments. All right. Sounds good, Lex. Okay. That is it for today, I'm feeling. We looked at the astrology for XRP, ICP, Bitcoin. Things are looking bullish, guys. Can't complain. Definitely check the link below if you want to get a one-on-one session with me. I talked about that on my last video. You can check that out. Giving a Black Friday deal, Cyber Monday. There's all these fancy names for buying a bunch of stuff. So if you want to get something, potentially the greatest investment of your life with crypto, then get a one-on-one session with me. And definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.